Welcome back to Dr. Vet channel. Develop with Vietnamese livestock. Today, Vet will share with you the diseases that cause the most deaths in rabbits and how to prevent and treat them so that you can proactively prevent diseases in your rabbits in the most effective way. Top 1. Rabbit hemorrhagic disease. The death rate ranges from 80 to 100%. The disease often causes sudden death without any symptoms. Therefore, the disease can wipe out the entire rabbit herd. If farmers do not have optimal disease prevention measures, rabbit hemorrhagic disease is an acute infectious disease caused by calicivirus and can spread quickly throughout the herd. The disease is caused by a virus, so there is no specific treatment. The best way to prevent the disease is to prevent the disease by vaccination. Cleaning and disinfecting the cage combined with enhancing the rabbit's resistance. For vaccine prevention, people can use rabbit hemorrhagic vaccine from the Central Veterinary Medicine Company. For cleaning and disinfecting products for barns, people can use some antiseptic products that are safe when having animals such as iodinate or Dexin Super, and at the same time, people can apply the product Pro Multi WS to increase rabbits' resistance. Top 2. Pasteurellosis. Disease caused by gram-negative bacteria, Pasteurella multicida, with an infection rate of up to 90%. Pasteurella bacteria always exist in a dormant state in the respiratory mucosa of rabbits, so their resistance decreases when rabbits encounter adverse conditions such as sudden weather changes, transportation, change of food, will lead to sick rabbits and quickly spread to the herd if there are no timely measures and treatment. If the disease is combined with another disease, the death rate of the disease will be very high. Rabbits suffering this disease often show signs of drowsiness, loss of appetite, red conjunctiva, conjunctivitis, possibly watery eyes, high fever of 41 to 42 degrees Celsius, feeling very hot when touching their lobe, difficulty breathing, bleeding, nasal discharge mixed with mucus. The earlobes have red bleeding spots. If the rabbit is infected with encephalitis, it will often cause the rabbit to tilt its head, and the rabbit will often become weak and die after 2 to 5 days, if not treated promptly. However, if the disease is acute, rabbits will die quickly and suddenly. Diseases are caused by dormant bacteria that are always present in the body, so it is necessary to pay attention to hygiene and disease prevention and increase rabbit resistance. Treatment: use Penstrep 400 or Interflox 100. or Enrosin 100 products, combined with using drugs to increase resistance in rabbits. You can inject the following drugs: Putavit 100 or Energy 300. Top 3. Rabbit coccidiosis. The death rate can be up to 70%. The disease is caused by the parasitic Coccus Emeria and is more severe in young rabbits, causing a high mortality rate. When rabbits eat or drink food contaminated with infected coccidiosis, it will cause diarrhea. Depending on the severity, the stool may contain mucus or fresh blood. The rabbit may die due to acute case. Coccidiosis requires attention to disease prevention, cleanliness of waste and livestock environment, hygiene of food and drinking water. It is necessary to periodically prevent diseases for rabbits. Every 3 to 6 months. For baby rabbits, it is necessary to prevent disease with Toltracox pump or Intracox pump when the rabbit is 3 to 5 days old. To treat the disease, it is necessary to isolate and treat promptly and treat feces and livestock waste. Clean up waste and compost with lime powder to kill coccidiosis eggs and feces. Use Intracox pump or Toltracox pump to spray rabbits. At the same time, when rabbits encounter coccidiosis, they will be susceptible to other diseases. So farmers can use Amosin 500 WS to prevent secondary diseases in rabbits and clean and disinfect the cage with iodinate or Dexin Super. Recently, we have introduced to you the top 3 diseases that cause the highest mortality rate in rabbits. We hope to bring you a lot of useful information in raising, prevention, and minimize livestock losses and economic risks. Goodbye and see you soon.